Hey guys, this is Phyllis from HaasOnline Software. I'm going to show you how to install HaasBot. So basically the first thing we need to do is you need to download the installer from the My Accounts page on our website. And then once you download that, you'll have an installer file. So you just want to go ahead and double click that. And you can choose the language you'd like, but I'd recommend keeping it in English. So we'll go ahead and do that. So go ahead and just click Next. And the default path is absolutely fine. If you want to change that, you can. So we'll go ahead and click Next, and let's install it. And you'll have to say yes. So while this is installing, during the installation process, once this is done, you're going to be given the option to run HaasBot. You should do that, and once you run it, you will need to input your license key and the email address. So here we go. So go ahead and add that in. And once you hit add that in, click activate, and HaasBot will continue to load, and then yeah, you will be good. And that's it. So be sure to check the next video. I'll show you how to set up HaasBot for the first time, which includes adding API keys and getting used to the interface. Alright, enjoy.